Feature Friday, and today I'm going to talk about cruise gear that I never travel without. Now, I've been cruising solo for years, and this is the one travel gear that I always pack. So it's called the KISS bag. It's short for Keep Your Stuff Safe. So it locks to a lounge chair or a table or a railing so that I can walk away and keep my things safe without stressing about it. So as a solo cruiser, this is a game changer because often we don't have somebody we know and trust to watch our things while we walk away and go to the restroom or go get something else off of the buffet. I've used it both in port and on the pool deck. And I love that it has a cool, stylish look to it. I get a lot of compliments on my bag when I carry it around. Looks so cute, you never really realize that it's actually built for safety. And people always ask me where I got it from. So if you're cruising solo or you just want some peace of mind, I've linked it below with my affiliate link, and it is totally worth it.
I'm Sig the Solo Cruiser. Follow me for more solo cruising tips.